I'm a little nervous, a little pretty, like a lot pretty. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do these kind of things like, well, I do these kind of things like pretty often. You see them on Thursdays and Sundays. It's pretty cool. So you can hit that like and subscribe button and you'll be able to watch these more often. I also have a playlist dedicated just for all of these adorable little things I'm doing. This one being foundation. I got this foundation stick, and of course I'm over here putting away the contents from my subscription boxes, and I come across this. It's a foundation stick, and I've tried a foundation stick before from Wet n Wild, and I love it. I love, like, not past tense but present tense. I love it. It's great, amazing. It's really something, let me tell you. So I figured if that one's good and this one's more expensive, let's try and see how it goes. And this one's from Trestique. My hair is a mess. That's okay. I love my hair. It's very pretty. I just got it done. Beautiful. So this foundation stick is from Trestique. I did not know that they did foundation. I thought they just did like the little sticks. I got the shade Polynesian Ivory, and it's supposedly like a refillable little doodle. Should be cool. Foundation plus blender in a forever case. Cool. It says innovative zero waste system made from recycled materials. Clean, sustainable beauty. Better for you and for the planet, which is great. I do like that. It's good. Formulated in Italy, vegan, cruelty-free, recycled materials. How to refill. Cool. Says it's a luxurious cream foundation stick that glides onto your skin for a light, breathable feel, infused with a powerful carrot complex for natural blue light protection. Okay, I like that. I sit in front of things that emit blue light all day long, no matter what I do. That's like a thing. Also formulated with an effective blend of hyaluronic acid, Vitis Vita actives, known to boost collagen, hydration, and minimize fine lines. That's good. I like that. Let's open this up. Here's the package. Pretty cute. We're jiggling all around in here. Trestique. Nice packaging. Ooh, scan QR code to see how to refill. Easy peasy. No. Is it a I should have watched reviews on this before I like. That's everything. So you're just a giant Trestique pencil. Cool. I like that. Huh. How do we... Ooh. Oh, that's cute. So, like, you just... Ooh, it's the foundation. That is the foundation. I'm refillable. Also, I'm the foundation. Do you, like, turn up? Yes. Oh, I made a mess. I made a mess. I made a mess already. This is great. I'm doing great. Yep. Not really, but okay. I made a mess, but we know now this is real foundation. And this is a sponge. Oh my god. So we have a flat side. Yeah, I should have watched videos on this. I'm not gonna like, hold on guys, let me watch some videos on this and see how to, we're just gonna go about our day. And then, oh, that is cute. First of all, let me just say, this packaging is adorable. I love the little Trestique crayon thingies and how everything comes like that. And their foundation coming like this is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Except like I'm worried I made a mess already. Okay, so you don't like wet the little sponge or anything, right? It's just, okay. And then it says to just apply directly to face, but like we don't prime or anything. Okay, but before we get started, let me pull my hair back quite a bit with like something pretty. Okay, let's begin. Meh, flowers help, but not really. Make it pretty. So I just so with my Wet n Wild one, I don't know if I still, I should. I don't know if I still have it. Yes. Okay, I have, yeah. So here's the Wet n Wild one. Pretty simple, screw it up. I would like apply it, and I'll see if I can do the same thing with this one, and then buff it out with like a little flat brush. Flat. Do I have another flat? No, because it comes with a sponge. So we'll sponge it. We're gonna sponge it. Okay. I'm not nervous to stick this directly on my skin. You are. Let's just, ooh, creamy. Yeah. Okay. Well, and I'm gonna cap this side. It went on pretty creamy, pretty nice. So then I guess we take our little blendy doodle and just, okay, pretty light. Do you say what kind of foundation you are? I thought you said you were like light, so medium coverage. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, I see this. Are you seeing this? Is my mirror blocking your view? You see this? This is pretty easy to like come in here and blend. I like it. Wow, okay. I mean, just throwing it out there, this is pretty light coverage so far. Not so much medium, but we're evening out my skin tone for sure. Maybe I should apply more. Oh, so here we go. This is not. Little streaky there. Use the other side. This is cool. I like this. So far, so good. The oily that is my forehead. Okay. Meow. The sponge is like a whole different color now. But huh. This is not bad. I like it. It's definitely more light than medium coverage. I feel like it just kind of evened out my skin tone. I'm gonna come back in with a little bit more just to see how it'll do. Maybe if I dab instead of swoosh. Ow, that definitely hurts. This is not a nice feeling at all. Oh, but that does better. Yeah, it definitely did better when I dabbed it versus like swiped it. I can totally see how bright my under eyes are now. That, or maybe because I added like this whole second layer now. But I'm just gonna brighten up a little bit more in the center of my face, and we're gonna dab, not white, but the dab hurts. Dabbing hurts. Like, not immensely, but it's like, these are my sensitive areas, and here we are just jabbing at it with this little fella. It's not that the little sponge is like super, I mean, it is pretty firm, but then it's very nubby, and you like come to a stop real quick. It's okay. The blend out method, but for travel and whatnot, yeah, this is perfect. Where's my, yeah. So here's my current like little travel kit. I should probably do a video on like everything I use when I travel, like on the go, where I can't stop to put on anything, or I don't have like a bathroom or somewhere like this where I can sit down to actually apply makeup. This is like definitely on the go. It's a contender for the on-the-go bag. That's pretty cool though. I'll probably have to do a video on that soon too, just so we can go over that. But yeah, I like this. I want to see how the formula and everything does being on my bare skin, and then how it's gonna do with my other products throughout the rest of the day too. I'm gonna come in with a bronzer. Probably do like a creamier blush, the one from ColourPop. Hopefully this will get together a lot better, because this is like, it's like creamy but like powdery, but like creamy that turns powdery, you know. So let me do, as I'm applying blush, let me do the rest of my makeup, and then we're gonna keep doing check-ins to see how this goes, because I'm interested. You might be too, but I am like so interested to see how this goes. Yes. I notice we're doing okay with everything so far. We did kind of start to crease under my eyes a little bit, so I added some of the, what are you, Fenty Beauty Invisimatte. And I may have to keep that on me throughout the day, because I mean, it's really good. I don't know if you saw my video on that as well, or if you've seen it. It's great, amazing. But I think that really helped with it a lot. The only other like stick foundation I can compare this to is my Wet n Wild, and it's the same. It's like oily, sticky, creamy, as they would call it. So it did kind of like move into my fine lines that are not so fine. They're just blatantly obvious everywhere, all over the place. But yeah, so I'm gonna see if this lasts. I do have like 2 errands to run today, and gentle reminder, I do live in Arizona, where I don't even think it's summer yet, and we're in the hundreds. Welcome to spring. Lovely, isn't it? So I'll be wearing this throughout my day, do a few check-ins here and there just to see how it holds up. I did put on a little bit of blush, some bronzer, and my Invisimatte, and we're gonna stick with this all day today and see how this goes. Yeah, have you guys tried this one before? Like, I'm kind of curious. I don't know if it's like normal. It says, well, it said apply directly to skin on the box, but I'm kind of like, especially because I have like super oily skin, and I love my primers, so yeah, we'll see. It's the end of the day. Everything looks pretty okay. It's nothing miraculous. I mean, I do have super oily skin, so of course you see the shine. It has come through very well. I did forget to take my Fenty Beauty Invisimatte powder with me, so maybe that's where a ton of this shine has come from. But overall, I think this foundation is pretty good, especially for oily skin. It's not too bad. I don't know if using the setting powder, or it's blotting powder, aren't you? Yeah, blotting powder. It's not setting powder, but you can use it as setting powder. But the Invisimatte definitely helped out a lot. Medium coverage, yeah, I guess I can see it now. Like before I was really like in disbelief. Packaging though is adorable. I think it's like the cutest little thing. I think like I would just buy everything from Trestique because of how cute it is. The little spongy doodle, that hurts. Taking on the go with you is definitely a must. I would definitely do that. Have you guys tried the Trestique foundation yet? I mean, it's, you know my opinion, I just gave it to you, but I'd like to know yours, if you've tried it, if you've used it, if you like it, if it's something you're going to continue to use. I don't know, it's something I'm going to continue to use now that I know that there's like no I mean, that makes sense because like you have foundation and then you have the sponge, but even then, why would all of this not be filled with the foundation? Because I mean, yeah, it's a good chunk still, I guess. I'm just, maybe it's just me. Like, is this normal? Have you guys tried other stick foundations and that's how much you get? I have more questions than I do statements for you right now, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. I will catch you next time. Remember, hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy what you saw. Bye.